Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll present you with my Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for the upcoming week, that is for the 4th week of February, which is also monthly expiry. If you are watching my video for the first time, please do check out my channel and subscribe. I make regular videos on weekly analysis of both Nifty and Bank Nifty, and most often Nifty and Bank Nifty trades in the range I predict. Along with the weekly analysis, I also make videos on low risk option strategies. Do check out them. While keeping it effective, I try to keep my analysis as simple as possible, highlighting the key levels and range for the upcoming week. And I believe learnings from this channel will greatly help you to improve your trading and investment journey. Before we jump into the current week analysis, let's do a quick recap of previous week analysis. Last week, I have expected Nifty to trade in this range between 17,500 to 18,200. Also mentioned about two key levels 17,770 and 18,000, which can act as intermediate support and resistance levels respectively. On Monday morning, though Nifty went below 17,770 for a brief period, it recovered and finally closed above 17,770. After closing above 17,770, it actually moved to 18,140 during the week. Also observe the trend line and the channel that we have drawn earlier. After moving above the trend line that we have drawn, Nifty touched the channel resistance and then started correcting. Similarly, Bank Nifty also traded in the range between 41,000 to 42,500 we predicted last week. It found resistance near 42,000 and from 42,000 level corrected significantly, going below the support level 41,000 for a brief period on Friday and finally ended the week above 41,000. If you are finding my analysis useful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's have a quick look at the key indices last week. Most of the indices ended in red. Nifty outperformed Bank Nifty last week. It ended marginally positive. Nifty PSU Bank is one of the worst performer last week and it lost more than 2.7%. Nifty IT, Nifty Metal are the two top performing indices. Nifty Metal is the worst performed indices till last week. After correcting more than 14%, it ended marginally positive this week. Now coming to the next week, let's understand few points that might affect the sentiment. First one is corporate results. There are no key companies that are posting the corporate results next week. Second one is key global events. There are two events. One is on 22nd and second one is on 23rd February for the next week. Third one is FII and DII activity. Both FII and DIIs are actually net buyers for the last week. For the first time in this year, FIIs are net buyers in the last week. One key point we need to make a note here is most of the indices ended in red last week, even though FIIs and DIIs are on the buy side. Also, US markets are closed on Monday, so it is important to see how our markets behave on Monday. Now let's analyze and predict Nifty and the Bank Nifty important levels and range for the upcoming week. Let's do with the Nifty first and then we will cover Bank Nifty. Let's look at the Nifty open interest. For the current week, we can see 18,000, 18,100, 200, 300 calls have significant open interest on the higher side. And on the lower side, we see 18,000, 17,900 and 17,800. Following that, 17,500 have highest open interest. However, put open interest is not significant when compared to the call open interest. Since we are having monthly expiry next week, no need to analyze the open interest for the following week. Now let's look at the Nifty chart. Previously marked 18,200 to 18,300 range continue to act as a strong resistance. In fact, for the complete month, this range acted as a good resistance. Though Nifty moved above this trend line, it started correcting after touching the channel resistance near 18,140. Now it is important for Nifty to sustain above this trend line. Unable to trade above this trend line, Nifty can go back towards 17,800 and 17,700 next week. And sustaining above this trend line, Nifty can head back to 18,140 and then 18,200 next week in my opinion. Now combining the chart and open interest analysis, here is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting this range between 17,700 to 18,200 for the February month expiry. And as mentioned, keep an eye on this trend line. Below this trend line, Nifty can actually move towards 17,700 to 17,800. And above, it can actually move towards 18,100 and 18,200. Now let's analyze Bank Nifty. Let's look at the Bank Nifty open interest. 41,500 and 42,000 calls have significant open interest on the higher side, and on the lower side we can see 41,000 and 40,000 puts have significant open interest. Since we have a monthly expiry next week, no need to analyze the open interest for the following week. Now let's look at the Bank Nifty chart. Previously marked 42,000 to 42,500 range can continue to act as a strong resistance for next week also. And on the lower side, observe this area between 40,700 to 41,000. If Bank Nifty fails to hold above this range, it can correct towards 40,000. And holding this range, it can go towards 41,500 to 41,700. And combining the chart and open interest analysis, here is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting Bank Nifty to trade in this range between 40,000 to 42,000. Also, 40,700 to 41,000 level could be the key range we need to watch. Above this range, Nifty can move towards 41,500 to 42,000. And below this range, Nifty can actually move towards 40,000. That's it, friend. We reached to the end of the analysis. I have presented both the Bank Nifty and the Nifty analysis for the upcoming week. I hope you find this analysis useful. I tried to keep this analysis simple and effective. In case if you have any feedback, please do let me know. I'll try to improve. Stay tuned for more such analysis and learnings, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe before leaving. Thank you. Bye for now. We'll be back with another YouTube video soon.